Hey YouTube, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Today I'm going to be doing some fidget things. If you guys have TikTok, then you've seen it like all over on your For You page. If you have, I think maybe. So it is fall season, which I'm really excited for. So happy Halloween fall. Okay, sorry, it's my first video. Okay, so you see all these Pop-It fidgets, you know, those, you should, if you're watching this video, that they're like $7 for like those little ones, which that's not that expensive, but I'm going to be showing you how to make a homemade one. So you're just going to need a water bottle. I'm pouring this water back in here because I need the water bottle. Sorry, I don't have like... It's like full to like the very top. So you're gonna need a water bottle. And some scissors or anything. You're just going to cut the top off. Okay, just like that. Okay, now there's water everywhere. And you're just gonna cut it to the like very, very edge. I'll show you once I have it cut. I'm not very good at YouTube because it's my first YouTube video. So yeah, just bear with me. This is probably only gonna get like 2 likes, but probably 0, honestly. Just cut the very top. I had a Pop-It, but then I forgot it at a hotel I was staying at. So yeah, you see I cut the top off. It's kind of sharp, so I'm going to try to cut as much as I can off. I'm going to wipe this down with my sleeve. It's not wet all over. Okay, here it is if you guys want to look at it. And this candle smells amazing. It's warm fall leaves if you want to get it. It smells so good. Sorry. And I definitely recommend hot glue. If you don't have that, then definitely tape. I definitely recommend the Gorilla because it sticks really well. But any duct tape or any tape works. If you want the best, then definitely do hot glue. But I don't have that, so I'm just using the tape. Okay, now I have to think. Next, you're going to cut off a little, like a piece of this water bottle, just like a square. Like, I recommend the top because it like curves, so it's like better popping sound like this. It's a little bright. Ugh. I don't know if you guys can see okay. I'll turn the light on. Is that better? I don't know what you liked better. I just feel like that was blinding me. Four minutes. This might be a long video, but I'm going to move everything. So you're gonna have this, and tape or any sticky thing you're gonna use. So, you're gonna see where you're going to have it, and then you're gonna cut, like, you see how it's like a square, there's like outsides. then you're just going to cut the extra stuff off of it until you get the same size. You don't want to cut it too small or too thin. Well, not thin, but too not wide. That made no sense. Okay. I think I got it. It's about a good size, I think. And do you hear that pop? See, look, it's really good. Once my house is built, then I will do vlogs. My house is getting built right now, and it'll be done in like 2 months, because there's another house they had to build before they could go on ours. So yeah. I dropped the plastic piece. 1 second. I can't find it. There you go. No. I cannot find it. I don't know what to do because this is already a long enough video. Okay, well, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry this video is so freaking long. If you made it this far, I appreciate you so much. Because obviously I'm super slow. And I have to cut out another piece because I dropped the piece and I don't know where it went. Oh, fantastic. Now where did this piece go? You see, guys, I'm so stupid. What? It's nowhere. It's gone. That is so annoying. Now that took another 3 extra minutes of your life. If you want to subscribe, you can. I don't care. That'd be nice if you could. Follow my TikTok too. I suck at editing videos. I don't even know how to, because I never have made a YouTube video. So just subscribe, and then you never have to watch me again, okay? Okay. Yeah, thanks. And of course. Now let's tape it. So apparently it flew behind me. I don't even know how it did. Sorry if you hear that outside. My mom's doing some yard work. That was bigger than I thought. My mom might come in with my little niece, which is super loud. This video is now 10 minutes long. which is annoying. So I spent like 3 minutes looking for that stupid piece. Anyways, this part's so easy. You just have to cut pieces of tape off and then tape it on. Which is, it's kind of hard, but you can do it. And I'm also going to be teaching you how to make some other fidgets and rating my fidgets. So please stay tuned for that. Just tape in this piece. Just like that, it's on. And then you my mom's driving the 4-wheeler. Sorry if you hear that. My mom's driving our 4-wheeler. Ooh, I'm almost done, and let's get that on this side. And I'm really sorry I wasted 12 minutes of your life. But your puppet should come out like this. And one of my hairs are on the table. I have really long hair. I'm going to flip the camera. And as you can see, the fidget should look like something like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. And please subscribe and like. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed my first video. Bye!